Welcome back to Agile Scrum Mania. Today, we're talking about the Agile Manifesto in a simple, practical, and human language. The Agile Manifesto was created in 2001 to address frustrations with rigid processes and slow delivery in software development. It was developed by 17 software professionals who sought a better way to deliver software. Their simple yet profound question was, how can we deliver better software faster and with happier customers and teams? Remember, at its core, Agile is about mindset, not tools, not frameworks, and certainly not just certifications. It's built on 4 core values and 12 principles. Value 1, individuals and interactions over processes and tools. This doesn't mean tools are useless, but they cannot fix poor communication. Agile values people solving problems together, believing this is more valuable than blindly following a process. Simply put, people first, tools second. Value 2, working software over comprehensive documentation. Agile isn't anti-documentation, but it believes documentation is only useful if it helps deliver working software. 100 pages of unread documents have less value than a small, functional feature. Agile prefers just enough documentation and focuses on real output. If it works, it matters. Value 3, customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Traditional projects focus on contracts. Agile takes a different approach. Instead of arguing over contract terms, Agile encourages continuous conversation with the customer because needs and markets change. Work with the customer, not against the contract. Finally, Value 4, responding to change over following a plan. Planning is essential, and Agile teams plan regularly, but they accept one reality. Change is inevitable. Instead of resisting change, Agile embraces it, even late in development, if it adds value. A flexible plan that adapts is powerful. Adapt fast, deliver value. Many people forget this important line of the Agile Manifesto. While there is value in the items on the right, we value the items on the left more. This emphasizes balance, not extremes. The items on the left, individuals, working software, customer collaboration, and responding to change, are what truly drive Agile success. Here is a final thought before we wrap up. Agile is a way of thinking. If your team follows Scrum ceremonies but ignores these core values, you might be doing Agile, but you are not truly being Agile. If you found this explanation useful, like the video, subscribe to Agile Scrum Mania, and share it with someone who wants to understand Agile the right way. See you in the next video.